Go on, Lexi. Go on, Lexi. Roll over. Yeah, good girl. Do it again. Lexi, can you face the camera? What? What? Lexi, look at the camera. Okay, go get the bottle of water or the pump. That's it. Crawl forward, not backward. Uh-oh. You're crawling backwards. I have to catch you. I have to catch you. Oh, you almost fell. Yeah, you almost fell. You're coming off the. You got to forward. You got to not backwards. Okay, I'll push you. I'll push you a little bit. Okay, come on, forward a little bit. Okay, backwards. Okay, you want off of this thing? Okay, we can go backwards. Here we go. Go on, you can go backwards. Come on. Come on, you can backwards. Come on down. Step on it. Step on it. Yeah, there you go. Now hang on to the side. Hang on to the side. Yeah. You're walking on your own now. You're walking on your own. You're a smart girl, aren't you? Huh? Aren't you? You're a smart girl. Look, you're walking on your own. Holding on to the side. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah, you're smart. You're smart. Oh. Okay, now grab the rattler. Grab the rattler. Here you go. I'll go get it for you. Grab the rattler. Yeah. I have to take a picture of your face. Say, Mama. Say, Mama, look, I'm walking. Oh, you want the compressor? Okay. Okay, go for the compressor then. And the rattle. Boy, you're something else, aren't you? You're walking on your own. A little help on my knee. Okay, let's see your face. Grandma can see your face. Oops. Okay, that's enough, I guess.